Merry Christmas, Team GCI. I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's GCI Market Outlook, let's take a look at Forex trading on Brent Crude, on the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and gold. We all hope you and yours had a great Christmas. In our last video, we talked about the Santa Claus rally, which usually happens, yes, at Christmas. How did it go? Before we look at that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We can all see the fall after Jerome Powell's remarks, the double bottom reversals, and the Santa Claus rally. Yesterday, stocks fell at the opening in Frankfurt and stayed lower. The question is, will the Santa Claus rally continue into January as it sometimes does? All the U.S. indices look different, but we have an ascending triangle on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We might want to wait for a break above with the stochastic oscillator oversold and turning up on the 1-hour chart. However, if we look at the daily chart, we see the stochastic oscillator overbought. Also, the current level of the Dow Jones Industrial Average is at 23.6% Fibonacci level, so we need to see a bounce or a break. We can see from the past that Fib levels are important for this chart. Speaking of ascending triangles, we see price action on gold in one. Once the markets come back online next week or the following week, we need to see a break or a bounce to understand the direction. If we look at the US dollar, it is not helping us as to the next direction of gold as we see holiday consolidation. We may not see much next week either with the New Year's holidays. We see price action on Brent Crude in a descending triangle on the daily chart with support at $71 a barrel. A short trade might be in the offing if the stochastic oscillator turns over prematurely. Again, watch out for low liquidity during next week as many banks, traders, and investors will be on holidays. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.